Hey lovely, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can make these hair buns for your toddler from start to finish. Easy step-by-step tutorial. If that sounds like something that you'd be interested in watching, why not stick around and watch this video.
Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm
welcome back to my channel. Like I said from the intro, I'm gonna be showing you how to make this from start to finish. Easy step-by-step tutorial, so you don't want to miss out anything at all. This is actually the kinky version, but if you want to see the coily version of this, let me know in the comment section. Without further ado, let's move on to this video. So yeah, I have my kinky hair already. I had this like quite for some time now, but I decided to just make good use of it. So I'm just gonna cut it in sections like that, and I'm gonna be making use of this rubber band. This is something you can get from any hair store or any local store around you. So I already cut the extension into sections, so I'm just gonna brush it out so that I can easily detangle it when I want to use it. So there are two methods to this. We have the loop method and we have the tie method. So now the loop method is very easy. All you need to do is just fold your kinky hair into two, and then you just pass it through the band like so, and then you just put your thumb like that, and then you just bring it out like so. So this is the loop method, and then the second method is actually the tie method. This one is very easy to do, and it's something that anybody can actually do. But the advantage of this tie method is the fact that if you want a whole lot of this and you want to cut your kinky hair into smaller parts so that you can be able to do as required number of bands, then this tie method is very good, because if you cut this smaller than the ones that are actually cut, then it will be hard for you to do the loop method, because passing it through will be very hard because it's already short. So the tie method will actually work. But anyways lovely, just do the one that actually works well for you. So if you're loving this video already, why not give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you're new to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button. Okay, thank you to all my returning subscribers. You guys are the best. And let's move on to this video. Like I said, if you want to see the coily version of this, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to state in the comment section that you want me to do a coily version of this. But this video is actually for those natural hair lovers. You want your toddler to have this very natural kind of look, you know, still looking like a baby, then this video is highly recommended. And the beauty part about this hairstyle is the fact that if you want that very easy go-to hairstyle, like you're going out, you know, and you just want that very simple thing, this is something that any mother can actually install. It's very easy. In the end of this video, I'll be showing you how you can install this in your toddler hair. So don't go anywhere. Make sure you watch this video from the start to the finish so that you don't miss out anything. So you want to as well just keep adding as much kinky hair as you want. Depending on how you cut it in section, you can make as much as 10 pieces. Imagine if you're gonna be selling this is very lucrative for a business. So lovelies, I hope you found this video helpful, and I am very sure that you'll be giving this video a huge thumbs up so that it can get to as much required number of people that will be needing tutorials as this. So lovelies, just keep on watching.
these doubts like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't It's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. And oh, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing.
So yeah, I'm actually done, imputing all the necessary hair that I want. I know you guys might be like, oh, this is too little, but you're gonna see the magic very soon. So just keep on brushing it like so, and right after you're done brushing it out, I'm gonna be making use of my scissors to trim. And make sure that when you're trimming this, you're starting just from the tip of the hair, little by little. The essence of the trimming is just so that we can have this round kind of fro bun kind of look. So make sure to be careful when you're trimming this part, that you trim it as little as possible just from the tip. And the beauty part about this is that if you want to accessorize this, you can use different kinds of accessories to just decorate it if you do not want it plain. So yeah, I'm just basically just trimming this to the required size that I want. If it's bigger and you want it smaller, you can just trim it and it would come out looking great as possible. So lovelies, this is how the hair is looking like. Let me know what you think about this. Is this something you're gonna be trying out? Let me know about your thoughts and your opinions about this hairstyle. This is how it is looking like with a touch of some accessories. So now let me show you all how this hair is looking on my toddler. It is very, very easy to install. You can imagine the fact that the braid that she has at the back is a whole lot. Just watch how I was able to hide that. So it doesn't really matter if the braid at the back is a lot. This hair would definitely cover it. You can see how it is, lovelies. This is very, very easy and it's something you can do. Having that quick go-to hairstyle is really amazing, especially for mothers. So lovelies, we've come to the end of this video. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
It's gotta be